welcome back to the Musa and Isa channel. Today we are in Valentine's Park on a boat. Hello everyone, welcome back to Isa and Musa. We are in Valentine's Park. It's the first time we are canoeing. I want to go backwards, but we can't go backwards. I was wearing a life jacket for safety. We are wearing life jackets. If you wear a life jacket and you fall in the water, you would float. Safety is very important in the water. How deep is this? It looks very deep. I can submerge the water. I wonder why that the water looks green, but when it splashes on my skin, it's transparent. Oh no, we are going to crash! We're turning. We keep on crashing. We nearly crashed so many times, but our daddy saved us. This is why they say pollution. Rubbish and plastic should not be thrown in the water. Instead, they should be recycled. Wait, that's a tiny stream. There's a lot of land. No. When are we going to go on the land? On the land. Isa was starting to get hungry, so he wanted to go back on land. We really enjoyed the boat ride and we had so much fun. The scenery is very beautiful. It is worth a visit. I highly recommend a visit with your family, so you can see it for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.